Hi everyone, I am back here with the day 4. This is Neha and today we are going to practice little more on the shoulder and little on the spine. So I am sure you have been practicing for last 3 days and today before we start, if you have an opportunity, please do few Surya Namaskaras to warm up, and without any further delay, let's get started. Today day 4 where we are going to focus more on our shoulder movement. So what you are going to do for this, I would ask you to have this kind of a trap. If you don't have this kind of a trap in your house, that's fine. You can use dupatta, any kind of a scarf which has a length where you can hold your both the hands to the corner, okay. Even if you have a trap, you can just like fold it to 2 and try to hold to the end of both of them, okay. Keep your shoulders straight and then wider. Now from here, keep it straight, don't bend your elbow at any point. You're going to inhale, lift your hand back and try to stretch it back. You can see that a lot of movement to your shoulder. We are going to repeat this 10 times and slowly come up. 2, down and come up. Few people struggle to do this. If you have a problem of, with this kind of a distance, if you're not able to move your hands, you can keep your hands much wider. Make sure that you're doing it much comfortably, you're not really forcing yourself. So you can also do this. This is much easier. You figure out what is best for you and how much distance is helpful. You practice accordingly. 4 and forward. 5 and forward. 6 and forward. 7 and forward. 8 and forward. 9 and forward. The last one, 10 and forward. Drop your hands down. You might feel a bit of warmness in your shoulder. That's absolutely fine because you have worked in a very specific way to your shoulder. You might feel this warm up. So just like try to relax, breathe in, breathe out, relax your shoulder. Just lift your shoulder up, squeeze your neck and release. Lift it up, squeeze your neck and release. Lift it up, squeeze your neck and release. The last one, lift your neck, squeeze it and release. Now, come back to your trap once again. Now, take this, keep your both the hands to shoulder level, okay, not wider, not smaller, just hold it here and move it to the shoulder level. Once you think you're coming to shoulder level, lift it up. Now, trying to stretch to the right and to the left. Keep pulling it. This is the maximum capacity for me. If I have to move little ahead, I have to force myself a bit. So find out your space which is comfortable and you have to push yourself slightly beyond your comfort zone. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Now from here, create a circle only to your shoulder. Don't bend your elbow, bend it down, center, up and down. Same thing to the opposite side. Stretch, side and down. Stretch, go back, side and down. Create a nice circle and center. Release. Now open up your chest, okay, same thing, open up your both the hands to shoulder level. We tried this in one of our previous I think day second, I guess, yes. This is slightly different from then. bend your shoulder. Now from here you are going to open up your chest, push your chest out, open up your shoulder, round your shoulder, get your both the elbow and palm together. Don't drop your elbow down, your elbow and your shoulder should be in one line. So even if you get your hand together, it should come to this level, do not let it go below. Okay, open up and close. Open up and close. 3, close. 4, close. 5, close. 6, close. 7, close. 8, close. 9, close. Last one, 10, close, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Release. It was quite a strong movement for the shoulder. You need to relax immediately after this. Just breathe in, breathe out slowly. Do not have any movement. Let your shoulder relax here. And now let's move a little ahead for the spine. You're going to lie down on your back. Keep your spine completely relaxed. Palm facing down. Roll your shoulders out. As you inhale, focus on your lower back and try to lift it up as much as possible. Okay, try to lift your spine completely up, the maximum capacity of the body, and then you're going to drop it down. Let us do this 10 times. Inhale up, complete rounded and down. Continue. 2, down. 3, lift it up and down. 4, down. 5, down. 6, down. 7, down. 8, down. 9, down. Last one, 10. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and relax. Now bend your both the knee to the chest, give a tight hug to yourself, keep your legs together. Now take a deep breathe in, breathe out, move mild to the right and left. A very mild just to relax your spine. Now open up your arms to shoulder level, push your knee to the side. Turn your head to the other side. A nice twist to the spine. And other side. Look outside. Now come back to center. Continue to breathe. Long inhale, long exhale. Now roll back and forward. This is going to be a self massage to the spine. Do this few more times. And center. So today we try to cover up shoulder as well as spine. So in next class we'll try to work a little bit on the shoulder strength. So practice this. If it is needed, practice 2 times so that you can actually improve and work more on the flexibility. And whatever the experience or the feedback of yours, do let me know, and we'll try to come back tomorrow with little bit of a more suggest and other drills. Till then, keep practicing, stay healthy. Thank you so much. I am also conducting online group classes. If you want to practice with me regularly, you can join these live sessions. All the details are given in the description. If you have any doubts, you can reach me on Instagram, Yoga for Cure. You can message me there.